Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for the day 2 of 30 days challenge. So today I'm going to be sharing this matte makeup look for this summer with using just one brand. So let's get started. Firstly, I have already done my skincare routine. I'll provide the link for you guys. If you haven't checked my morning skincare routine, it will be on the I button. So now using this concealer from Maybelline. So these are the two concealers. One is dark shade and the other one is like closer to my skin tone. So I'm gonna be using this dark shade as a color corrector like this, applying it on my dark circles, blemishes, and making sure I'll blend it nicely. So the key for no makeup look is to blend. So make sure you blend nicely with your beauty blender or brush or even with your hands. It's up to you. Okay, now once I'm done blending the concealer, this is how it looks. It looks way too dark, but it have hidden my dark spots. So now we'll make it all set together by using the other shade, and I'll be applying on the regular points where we apply the concealer, and I'll make sure it's blended nicely. Also, whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'll just swipe it across my cheeks and on my forehead. So once I'm done taking good time in blending the concealer, I'll move on with setting it with the compact. And I'm not gonna be using foundation today because I usually don't prefer foundation. I'll just go with the concealer and compact and that'll be good. At least in summer you gotta try this step if you haven't already, because it feels very light on your skin. Moving on, after setting the concealer, it looks super matte as you can see right here. So I'm gonna be setting my full face with the compact. Let's move on with the eyebrows now. Using this Maybelline Fashion Brow in dark grey shade, I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with this. It's super easy to use. If you're a beginner, just go for this pencil, you guys. And it comes in two shades. I like using dark grey, and yeah, this is how it looks after filling my eyebrows. Just make sure you don't overdraw your eyebrows. Then it will look very stark and dark. You can see the difference right now, but I'm gonna be blending it as well. So using the spoolie, making sure I blend it nicely, and then once I'm done with that, I'll use the compact again and I'm gonna be applying it on the eyebrows. This step will ensure your eyebrows look more natural, and use the spoolie again to brush off any excess powder. Then moving on, using this V contour blush, using all the three shades and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. I'll just apply on the cheeks and as a blush contour thing, and make sure I blend it with the beauty blender again. Then for my eyeshadow, it's very easy, using the middle shade, applying it all over my eyelids like this. I'll just blend it with my fingers itself. This gives flash of color, at the same time looks very natural and fresh. Once I'm done blending, I'll curl my lashes. This makes huge difference, you guys. You can see it right here. And after that, I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'll be coating my upper and bottom lashes. And to finish off my makeup, using this Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1 on my lips. After applying, I'll make sure I blend it with my fingers. This will ensure the lipstick lasts longer and take off any excess lipstick. So with that, I finished this matte makeup look using one brand. It's very fresh for summer. Also, you can switch up with lip shades, eye colors, and if you want full coverage, you can go ahead and do that. I like this way my skin but better. So this concealer gives me that natural finish. So yes, with that being said, I'll wrap up this video. I really hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.